To enable AI features on POCO X8 Pro, we can open Settings, then we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then over here we should be able to find Xiaomi Hyper AI. This is where we can find AI App Boost, where we have a list of different AI features and tools that we have available on our phone. Keep in mind that some of these options might not be available on every region. There are some regional differences here and there, but generally speaking, they are not so significant. Still, you can of course go, let's say, to the AI writing assistant, and you can turn it on or off over here. In this case, we have like a helper that allows you to craft better writing, apparently. There is also, let's say, AI writing in here where we can tap on Get Started in order to start using it. We have AI dynamic wallpapers, and in many cases you have to use a Xiaomi account. So if you don't have Xiaomi account, or if you are not logged in, your phone will ask you to either set up the account or start using it. But once you do, you should be able to start using all of these features. Here you can also find how to use each of these options, so be sure to check that out. So leave a like and subscribe.